Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video I want to show you how you can test capacitors and know whether they are working properly using your multimeter. How you can perform a cold testing on capacitors to know whether they are working properly. So if you're using this type of multimeter, just switch your multimeter to this mode and use the select button to put it to diode mode, which is this mode. Make sure your multimeter is on this mode. Make sure your multimeter is in this mode, and then if you are using the other type, just use this range selector to select this mode. It's going to be around here or here. So now after putting your multimeter in this mode, put the red probe on ground, and use the black probe to test both sides of the capacitor. Put the red probe on ground and use the black probe to test both sides of the capacitor. So here you go. I'm going to do testing here. Look at the reading that is going to give if the capacitor is good. This is the negative side of the capacitor. Let's test the positive side. You see, it means this is a good capacitor. Same with this one. This is a negative side, and this is the positive side of the capacitor. It means the capacitor is working properly. Another example here, the positive side. This is, if you see a capacitor reading like this, you should keep in mind that it is a both capacitor. It reads the same value on the both sides, so it's a boot capacitor. I will explain to you in another video what a boot cap is. Now let's test here, and here you see this is a bad capacitor. It's reading 0.003 voltage drop on the both sides. It means this capacitor is bad and needs to be replaced. Check this out. Same reading here. Bad capacitor. This one too. There's a good capacitor. The other side is reading on ground. Same here. Good capacitor. So this is how you test capacitors on a mobile phone PCB. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.